So, right again, let's just get yourself started up on a broker. The broker that I'm currently using is binary options. You can click right here at www.binary.com, but you can use my link in the bio just down there, guys. Just click down the video and you will see there's a link where you can sign up direct. Use my link so your boy can make more money through that link. So if you really want to do that, or you just can go to binary.com. But if you want to support it, if you want to support your brother, click and sign up through my link. It will be really appreciated, guys. So we're just gonna go through the binary website quickly, so you're not gonna be lost. So you will understand everything that we're gonna cover right here. So once you open up binary, right, you will basically see that you can start creating an account right away with your email right there. So let's just take a look at more options, right? We can see trade for 24/7, even on weekends. That is what I love about trading binary. We only gonna use MetaTrader 5 on binary while we're gonna trade our synthetics, right? We only can focus on the on MetaTrader 4. Sorry, we can only focus on MetaTrader 5. Did I say 4? You can only focus on MetaTrader 5, guys, right? So I will show you guys right now how you guys can open up a trading account, and here's the payment methods, how you can deposit your stuff. I hope you guys have this type of, you can use your MasterCard or your Visa card, or you can just use any, excuse me, you can just use any uh payment option that fits you best. So let's get you started up, guys. So let me just open up an account right here. Let me just use Newton FX Academy com. So this is what you guys gonna do. Thank you for signing up. Please check your email. So now you just have to go into your email account to create it. Let me do that instead. Just hold on, guys. I will be with you guys right now. I'm just sign in with this one. So this is just basically the following steps you gotta do. But I'm just gonna sign on the other screen, so I cannot show you all my personal details and all of that stuff. Okay. Okay, let me just go back again. I think I hit the email. Oh, sorry. It was correct. So the email will be sent to you, and it will send one more step to create your account. You're nearly there. Thank you for creating an account with us. That will be in your email address. So I want you guys to open up your email and click confirm and verify your account, and we're gonna log in right now. Just give me a few minutes, guys, because why, I don't know, my Wi-Fi is a bit slow. So just give me some time and it will all be set up. So let's wait. I must show you guys how you guys can set up your trading account for the best, because why, this is basically the first key that you guys must do correct. If you're not doing this correct, guys, you guys will be lost with it, and it's just gonna be a mess. And I don't want you guys to lose your money while you're signing up. But why is this thing so slow right now? Excuse me, guys, excuse me. Okay, I'm just gonna verify. Okay, I got a new address right here. Just okay, let's see. Okay, something is wrong there. Uh, Sorry guys for this long and draggy stuff. My Wi-Fi is just a bit slow today. Okay, let's just use this other screen instead. Let's use this screen instead because I can see that this one is so much faster than the current one. Okay, this page is only available to locked out clients. Okay, so now as you guys can see, we currently logged in. As you can click here, you can see this the current accounts you have. So to create the account, you guys can just click there and create one, right? So once you create one, right, once you click here, you create an account. Now you can create a real account right there, right? It's a real account. You create an account, right? So on this account, we only gonna focus on create a cryptocurrency account, choose a preference. No, this is not what we're gonna do. This is not what we're gonna do, right? We only gonna focus on trading synthetic markets, right? So you can do it either from through this way or go through your MetaTrader from here through this region right here, right? Go to trade, go to MetaTrader, sorry, go to MetaTrader right here, and then you guys can create, right? This is a demo account, right? So you guys can see you create right there, real. Go to synthetic right here. We're only gonna focus on synthetic. So remember, we went to trade, we went to MetaTrader 5, and then we went to a real account, then we went to synthetic, and then we click next, right? So you can choose the server for your MetaTrader 5 real synthetic account. You can use ASIN or Europa, right? So I'm just gonna use Europa, right? This is gonna be a current service. So now you can just enter your password right here and your account will be set right away. I'm just gonna show you guys now a simple method how you guys can deposit money into your trading account, right? So now you guys can see this is the current account that we just opened right here. This is my login details for this account, right? We can see this is zero balance. So we can see this is the server that we choose, the European server. So how do we add funds into this? We could basically go to Kashi right here. Right here, we can go to here, or we can just where's that? Manage funds. Yeah, we can do it through this area, but let's just go straight to Kashi. Right, it will be so much simpler right now. So once you get to Kashi, guys, you can just basically hit deposit, and there we can see we have the withdraw, and now we can see the different type of payments we can deposit via bank, wire, credit card, and e-wallet. Here you can deposit cryptocurrencies, deposit via payment agencies, but we're gonna put deposit during a bank and a Visa card, right? So before you can basically use your cards, guys, they will ask you to proof of identity needs to be verified in order to make a deposit via Zinc Pay. The Zinc Pay, I'm using it a lot of times. So here, this is the payment that I'm using. Is really convenient and it's really so much faster. But if you have a credit card or a debit card, you guys can just click on this uh, payment option right here, and there you can just use your bank details right here, put in your banking stuff and deposit your amount, the same as if you want to withdraw, click right there, withdraw USD to your bank account. Please deposit to your account. There's no money in that new account that we was just opening. But once you do that, guys, you can withdraw some of your capital that you made into your trading account. So this is it for this video, how you guys can set up this video, how you guys can set up your trading account. If you guys are a bit lost, you guys can just rewatch this video, because why, I think I did cover everything during this and this video. If you guys could just come to this area, click MetaTrader 5, right, create new, click on real, you click you click synthetic right here, synthetic, this one here the left, you click next, and you activate your account. Right, to deposit, you go to cashier right here on the stop, you deposit, click deposit, you choose which way you're gonna trying to deposit the stuff, either credit card or use Pay or Bitcoin or any type of pay option that you guys feel comfortable with, and deposit your money. Your money will be in your trading account. It will be right in your trading account right here. This right here, it will be in your trading account. You will see your money will be flagged right here, and once your money is reflecting right there, you can just transfer your money from this area back to this account. Right, this is basically what you guys can do. You can reflect it back to this account, but you guys will get used to it. If you guys need any help, please let me know, guys, and I will sort you out. But it's so much simple. I know you guys will get hold of this, so I don't want to make this video so long. So yeah, now in the next video, I'm just basically gonna show you how you guys can set up your MetaTrader